Hi! Wala ba akong tripod? Sorry guys. So mga, di ba nag-live ako kanina? Na-stop po siya kasi nag-brown out sa amin. After nung umulan, just woke up. Oo, 3 siya, kakagising ko lang. Kasi kanina, umulan di ba ng malakas? Tapos, after parang ilang minutes, nag-brown out sa amin. Then, nawalan na kami ng kuryente. Wala bang sound? So, walan kami ng kuryente. Tapos, bumalik yung kuryente. Kabalik ng kuryente, wala na namang internet. So, eto guys, kaya din ako nag-live. Kasi, yung Team Beshi pala din, hindi na ako guys, sa mga tatanong ko kay Jiggly, ayoko na muna siyang pag-usapan, hindi ko i-entertain yung mga tanong tungkol sa kanya, kung ano yung kinamatay niya, saan siya ngayon, ganyan, kasi wala po ako sa lugar para mag-share nun. Okay? Anyways, yung Team Beshi pala, nung nasa Davao ako, may mga nag-send sa akin ng mga gifts. Tapos yung gifts nila, may mga pictures. Kaya sabi ko sa Team Beshi na, magbigay kayo ng mga pictures sa akin. Ganyan. So, gumawa sila ng FB10 ba ako? So, gumawa ang Team Beshi ng mga photo cards. Tagal na ito, parang March pa to. Tapos ngayon ko lang siya naalala. Ito. Gumawa ang Team Beshi ng photo cards ng mga picture nila. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nakikita. May mga tatlo lang siguro akong nakita dito. Matinulak ka na Precious. Totoo, nilok ako na Precious. Nakakainis siya. Tapos, hi Adrian! Kumusta ka naman? Bubbles. Pwede bilhin, hindi. Ito siya. Personal collection ko na siya. Ayan. May Team Beshi photo cards. Ayan. Tapos, picture siya ng lahat ng Team Beshi. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin, so next time guys, pag mag-gift kayo sa akin, mag-send kayo ng mga baby pictures niyo or lagyan na pictures para masama sa collection ko. So, first is filter yan. Nilagyan ko lang ng filter kasi tignan mo kung walang filter, ang dilim. Ayun no. Sobrang wait. Or okay na yan. Ewan, parang okay na yan. Sige, basta tignan natin. So, baby liking contest ang atake. So, ang first picture is me. This is me. Picture ko dati nung bata ako. Ayan. Tapos next, hulaan ko kung sino-sino sila. Next is sino to? Wait. Si Sydney ba to? Tama, mali. Si Sydney ba to? Feel ko si Sydney siya. Sige. I feel like Sydney. Okay, next. Ano, sino to? Si Jazz? Si Jazz ba to? Y2K baby. Y2K baby contest. Ayun no, hello, si Jazz. Jazz ba? Kung mali ako ha. Baka mali ako. Next is si Zaimon. Feel ko si Zaimon. Hi Zaimon. Feel ko ikaw yan. So kung mali, ito malamang si Joriza. Yes, gawin natin tarot card. Oo, gawin natin tarot card. Sige. Next is Si Azzy! O, latang-latang ikaw. Yes. Itong sure ako. Ang mga sure ako na sila to. Ito. Si Azzy. Si Joriza. Si Sydney. Yan. Yan ang feeling ko. Natama ako. Next. Sino to? Si Ellie? Si Ellie ba to? Feeling ko si Ellie. Ellie, press 1. Next is siya. Sino to? Ay, si Kat. Si Kat ba to? Si Kat. Wala, si Joanna. Oh, sure ako si Joanna to. Ito, sure na sure. Si Jella. Latang-halatang si Jella, oh. Wala, sino to? Nakawig pa. Future drag queen. So, sino to? Or ito si Kat. Send ko lang to sa GC natin. Picturean ko kung sino to. Ito hindi ako sure. Ito, feel ko si... Halatang si Chelsea. Chelsea. Ang cute. Ang cute niya naman. Ito, hindi ako sure sino. Wala bang picture dito si... Feel ko si ano to. Parang si Yana. Or si... Yung kaka-birthday lang, si Rian. Parang si Rian. Ito lang, dito yung mga hindi ako sure, ah. Ito si Rian. Ito si God's Princess. Si Princess pala to. Princess Ansing. Ito ba? Ito si Princess Ansing. Princess Ansing. Ito si Rian, ata. Ito, hindi ako sure sino to. Wanted na lang yan. Tapos ito, paano ko mahulaan bata? Baby. Pag wala, sila Lot tsaka si Sarah walang ganito. Mag-send kayo ganito Lot at Sarah para ano. Para sa collection ko pang tarot. Okay, ito yung mga hindi ako sure. So gawin natin siyang gawin natin siyang tarot cards. Sige, sino ang mapahula, guys? Si Sari. Ay, wait. Parang si Sari to. Okay, anyways. Si Sari to. Hindi, parang si Rian to. Yan, pag sino mapapahula, go. Gihulaan kita. Feel ko si Jella. Sige. Yung hindi hindi. Wala dito. Si Shara na lang. Hulaan kita, Shara, ha. Hindi ako marunong ganyan, pero hindi siya nababaloso. Okay. Si Shara. Yayaman ba daw si Shara? Hi, Taylor Sheesh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. Ito ang mga baraha mo, Shara. Ayan. Meron tayong 6 na baraha. So, ang unang baraha natin is... Ito ang ating Joriza card. Yes. Ang sabi sa Joriza card ay... Feel ko pag nagsuot ka lang ng pink, lucky color mo siguro yung pink. Yes. Oh my God! Asan si Claire? Umaya na. Okay, pag nagsuot ka ng pink sa first, 1, 2, 3. Sa first months mo ng 2025, swertehin ka. Ayan. Pero mahihiya ka lang sa simula. Kasi yan, nahihiya si Juliza, oh. Ayan. So, mahihiya ka kasi awkward face mo pa to. Yes. Your next card is, yes, si Sydney card. Yan ang Sydney card. Pag nag-pink ka, ayan, nag-pink ka sa first months mo, at ayan, bank symbolizes insecurity. Yes. Kaya ka nag-banks kasi insecure ka, di ba? Pag tinatry mo kasing itago ang insecurities mo. Kaya ka, sa mga first months mo, parang hindi pa rin siya compatible, oh. Meron kang shyness, yes, awkwardness, and insecurities dahil sa banks, kasi nagbabanks ka. Ayan. Awkwardness and insecurity. The next card is, oh my God, the Joanna card. Ang sabi ng Joanna card, nakaturo siya sa labi, di ba? Pansin niyo yon. Yung labi natin is our, like, pagmahal natin ang mga tao, di ba? Kiss, ganyan. Kahit na awkward ka, may insecurity ka, makakahanap ka ng love. Yan. Hindi ko pa nahahanap kung yayaman ka pa, ha? Yan. So far, awkwardness, insecurity, and love. Yan. Okay. Next card is the Jazz card. Yes, si Jazz. Oh my God. Ito. Diba? Shyness, awkwardness, and love. This year, magiging quirky ka. Yes, quirky. Feeling ko so far, ito sa first row natin, medyo negative connotation siya sa pagbabasa ko, no? Sa pangalawang row natin, meron tayong positive. Yes, positive. Positive ang ating powers. So, kung mahahanap mo yung love mo at maging happy-go-lucky ka lang, quirky, yeah. Yes, tapos mag-Y2K fit ka na may ganyang glasses. Magiging, feel ko sa third row, dito na yung pagiging mayaman mo. Okay? Third row, our fifth card is, oh my God! Ito ang hindi ko kilala. Actually, hindi ko siya kilala. Ayan, no? Ayan. Sa third row natin, this person symbolizes drag. Yan, symbolizes drag. Oh my God, wait lang. Ano ko nga muna yung camera ko. Yeah, symbolizes drag. Yes, baby drag queen, baby drag. Feel ko pag nag-support ka ng drag queen, yes. Si Sarina pala to. Pag nag-support ka ng drag queen, yun yung parang key. Ayan na. Ito ang trimester ng ating months. Whole 2025 mo. First trimester, awkward and insecurity. Kasi may bangs, di ba? Second trimester, love and quirkiness. Third trimester is about more on drag. Oh my God. Yes. Basta trimester ba tawag yan? Divided by 3 ang year. Ganon. Okay. Ito sa drag. Last card. Ito na ba ang susi kung magiging mayaman ka? Oh my God! Ito ang Jella card. Yes. Ang buong year mo, ang daming mangyayari. 'Di ba? Magiging happy ka, ayan. Bibigyan ka ng saya ng drag. Pero wag mong kalimutang lumingon sa iyong pinanggalingan. Yes, kasi nakalingo ng ating Jella card, 'di ba? At ayan, lumingon lumingon kasi ang pinanggalingan. So, maging mayaman ka ba? I think not really. Hindi masyado siguro, pero you will be abundant. Abundant with experiences. Yes. This year will be a roller coaster for you. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan ha. Okay? Our favorite card, Jella card, lumingon sa pinanggalingan. Okay? Sino pa magpapahula, guys? Okay, next card. Okay, sino pang pagpapahula dyan? Yes, your lucky color, Shara, will be pink. Sabi ng ating Joriza card. Joriza card, pink. Then, hairstyle of the year, dalawang option siya. Asan ba yung isa? Dalawang option ng ating hairstyle for the year, lucky hairstyle. Si Bangs Garcia by, wala yung picture ni ano. Bangs Garcia by, ito, the Sydney card. And pwede ka ding mag-wig. Okay? Okay, next na magpapahula, guys. Press 2. Okay, press 2, second. Press 2. Okay, ang mauunang mag-press 2 ha. Wala, shit, natanggal yung isang ano. Paunahan lang mag-press 2. Okay. Press 2 nga. Okay, Zymon. Si Zymon ang una. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Zymon, sorry, masyadong makalat. Zymon, ito ang iyong kapalaran for 2025. Yes. First card is oh my God, Sydney card ulit. Sydney card, oh my God, nakakakilabot to. Sydney card symbolizes insecurity, di ba? Dahil sa banks. You will start your year very insecure dahil sa banks. And dalawang ano to? Dalawang meaning nito, positive at negative. Insecurity dahil sa banks or baka magiging trendy ang banks. Yan. So, lucky hairstyle din yan. Okay, next card is hala! It's the lucky card, Hanabeshi card. Wait lang, naubo ako. Hanabeshi card, yes. Hanabeshi, sa year mo na to, first 3 months ng year mo, kasi naka-divide to ng 3, diba? First 3 months, second 3 months, and last 3 months. Sa first 3 months mo, you will find peace within yourself. Kasi naka-peace sign ng ating Hanabeshi card. Yes. And, nakita mo yung suot ni Hanabeshi card? Nakasuot siya ng Buzz Lightyear. Yes. That symbolizes the eternity, the infinity kineso of the universe. No? So, don't keep your dream on and look at the stars above. Ganyan. Okay? Next. Hala! Oh my God! Bumalik na naman ang ating Jella card. Yes, ang ating Jella card. Bakit pa ulit-ulit? So, sa Jella card natin, kahit nasa gitna, di ba? Kanina sa huli siya, lumingon sa pinanggalingan. Meaning nito, sa interpretation ko lang ngayon, sa ating new reading, makikita mo lang ang sagot sa lahat ng ito kapag tumingin ka sa past mo. And once tumingin ka sa past mo, you will. Oh my God. Sino yan? Kukululok, sino to? Ito yung mga part na mga hindi ko kakilala. Prom card or prom queen. Pag tumingin kasi pinanggalingan, you will be the prom queen. Yes. Magiging queen ka ng iyong life. Yes. Okay? So next, ito na naman ang ating negative connotation na card. Si Joriza. Ating Joriza card. This symbolizes awkwardness. Ma-awkward ka after, maganda lang yung year mo, oh. May peace, lumingan sa pinanggalingan, queen card. Ay, si Kat to. Ito ang ating Cath card. Yes, Cath card. Cath card. Ayan. Ito, lalabas ang ating negative connotation. Meron ka, magiging awkward. May awkwardness. To combat that, let's check the last card. Oh my God. This is you, Zaimon. This is you. Magiging awkward kahit, alam mo yan? Very positive, magiging negative. But at the end of the day, just be yourself. Yes. Ayan, Zaimon. Yan ang yung reading for 2025. Okay? Sino pang magpapatarot reading dyan? Sino ba si Claire? Asa ba si Claire dito? Oh my God, dito si Zaimon. Si Claire yun? Claire, hindi mo kamukha. Okay, this is the Claire card. Pre-transition Claire card, okay? Sige. Press 3. Press 3. Press 3. Next. Naghuhulog siya. Press 3. Yes. Eh, nakita ko si kanina. Nag-comment siya na... Sige, wag na lang 3. Ano na lang. Press... I type... McDo. MCDO. Okay. MCDO. McDo. Okay. Ayan, may nag-comment na ng McDo. Huhulaan po natin yung 2025. Okay. Sino yung unang nag-comment? Si Calls. Hi, Calls. Ito ang iyong 2025 reading. Yes. And parang feel ko medyo maganda to ngayon. Yan. Ito ha. First 3 months, second 3 months, and last 3 months. Okay, first card. This year, yan. Hana Beshi card. Yes, it is me. Oh my God, this time medyo negative yung nakikita ko. Though you will find peace and you will aim for the stars kasi Buzz Lightyear, you will have jealousy. Jealousy. Yes. May jealousy ka. Behind all the peace, behind the peace. Yan. Behind the peace, may jealousy. Yes. Next card. Oh my God! Bakit laging lumalabas to? Laging lumalabas ang ating Joriza card. Yes. May jealousy, diba? You always need to look up. Yes, look up. Nakatingin siya sa taas. Oh, ating Joriza card. Look up and you will see the answers. Kasi diba, ang dabit natin, nakatingin mo, Buzz Lightyear. May stars. When you look up, sabi natin Joriza card, you will see the answers. Pero this will be very awkward ha. CR Joriza card, very awkward yan. May awkwardness siya. So next card. The Claire card. Ba't ulit ba ito? Teka lang. Hala, wait lang. Palitan natin yung 3 cards mo kasi ulit-ulit na siya. Okay, palitan ko kasi parang may halo. Okay, this is before the Claire card. Claire card. Yes, Claire card. Ang meaning ng Claire card ay ang tungkol sa dating ikaw. Dating ikaw. Pre-transition. Yes. Dating ikaw, Kahit na mag-look up ka, ganyan, tignan mo pa rin ang dating ikaw. Yes. Before Claire ang pangalan nitong card na to. Next card is, bumalik na naman siya. Ang ating, sino nga to si Sari? Sari card, yes. Kita mo? Meron pa ako nakikitang kakaiba. Kahit sa roller coaster na ayan kita mo yung wig niya. Mukhang bunot, 'di ba? Mukhang bunot. You will need to clean. Yes, clean. Like, linisin mo ang iyong buong buhay. Kasi, ang dami ng negative and positive na halo-halo na you will need to start again. Nakadrag ang ating Sari card. Sari card means like drag, transformation. Ito. Pre-transition transformation. Meron kang something this year. The second part of your year will be about transformation. Next. This is our Elijah card. Ayan. Kumunot ang kanyang mukha. Ayan. After, medyo negative ang year mo, dear, darling. Negative ang year mo, darling. Ayan, no? Medyo roller coaster, wag ka sanang mahirapan. May positive, may jealousy, may look up, may transformation. And this year, kukunot ang noo mo. Kukunot ang mukha mo. Yes. Kasi, baka may mga kaaway ka. Ayan. Pero kahit nakakunot ang noo mo, nakakunot ang mukha mo, you will be cute. Yes, you will be cute. Elijah, kumunot card for our third 3 months of the year. Okay. Last is our Joanna card. After all of this roller coaster of emotions, you will find love. Kasi nakaturo siya sa labi niya, which means love. Turo sa labi, love. Okay? Your lucky color of the year, kunin natin dito. Lucky color of the year is white. Okay? And lucky scent mo is baby powder. Yes. Lucky color, white. Lucky scent, baby powder. Sino to siya? O kilala. Okay. And your lucky style. Ayan, kakaiba na itong natin reading. May style na. You will need to wear Y2K inspired outfits. Yes. And ganyan dapat ang mga post mo sa selfie mo dahil swerte tong jazz card natin. Yes, okay. Ay, si Zaybon pala to. Yes, ito Okay, next reading, last reading of the day. Okay, last reading of the day natin. Comment Poka. Comment Poka. Comment Poka, guys. Paunahan. Yan. Sana wag kang mahirapan this year. Comment Poka. Yan, Aziker. Nauna po si Azzy sa ating reading ngayon, sa ating Team Beshi reading tarot card. Okay. Wait, ipak muna ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I-bless muna natin ang ating cards. Okay. Azzy, ito ang yung cards of 2025. Yes. So, again first 3 months of the year, second 3 months of the year, and last 3 months of the year. Okay? So, first month mo, Oh my God, what are the odds? The odds di pala. Basta. Sobrang coincidence. Nakuha mo ang sarili mo, Azzy. This is the Azzy card. Oh my God. This is the Azzy card. This year, you will start, just being yourself muna. Yeah, okay? You know? Tsaka, happy ka, happy. Yes, you're very happy. Tapos, wait lang. Wag mong kalimutan maglinis ng kuko. Wait lang, dumi ng kuko ko. Anyways, dahil naka-jumper ka, you will need to jump. Kailangan mag-jump. Kasi, ewan ko, baka masagot yun ang ating ibang cards. Jump ha, don't forget to jump. Okay. Next card is the Chelsea card. Yes, this is the Chelsea card. Okay. Ang ating Chelsea card ay nasa pinto. Yes. And being yourself will open a lot of doors for you. Ang tignan mo, ang pose natin Chelsea card ay parang boss. Okay, gets ko na. You will have a jump in your life. Magiging boss ka. And that is the opportunity that our Chelsea card will open for you. Yes. Magiging boss ka, oh. Ayan, no? Kita mo? Ayan. Okay. Very good start, ha, Azzy? Very good start. Okay, next. Sino ba to? Di ko kilala. Si Princess Ansing ba to? Okay. Princess. Sabihin natin, sino to? Cute girl. Our cute girl card symbolizes nakatingin siya sa malayo. Ayun, no? Malayo. Saan siya nakatingin sa mga cards na to? Nakatingin ang ating cute girl si card dito. Ay, si Rian. Shit. Okay, nakatingin ating cute girl Rian card dito. So, meron siyang sinasabi, special card to meron siyang sinasabi na ang sagot is nasa card na to. Ayan. Ayan, no? Okay. Next card is, again, the Hanabeshi card. Me. Tignan mo ulit, ha. Super positive lahat. So far, good for you. You will find peace, you'll achieve your dreams, the stars, ang Buzz Lightyear, but you will have jealousy. Yes. Meron kang jealousy. May mga maiinggit sa'yo sa success na lahat ng ito. May mga maiinggit sa'yo, may jealousy. Okay? Next card is etong card na to, ang ating Sydney card, meron siyang duality Banks for insecurity, but you will be happy. Yan. May tinatago ka ditong part na to, but you will be happy. Ayan. Sydney card, guys, very positive and negative. Yan. Will be insecure, but you will be happy. Oo, barcode, yes. Oo nga, I forgot about that. Tignan mo yung banks niya. Banks Garcia, may barcode inspired. Kahit may insecurity ka, unhappy ka kasi may pera. Yan. You will be able, nakalapis na. You will be able to buy anything you want. Yes, you will be able to buy anything that you want with the Sydney card. Okay? So, for our last card, ito ang tinuturo ng ating Rian card, cute girl Rian card. Ayan, no? So, ito ang sagot sa lahat ng ito. You will start your year very successful. Ayan. Pero, at the end of it, you will face transformation. Yes. transformation after all these years. You will transform. Ayan. Transform. Magta-transform ka. I don't know kung anong transformation yan. Maybe positive or negative. Only time will tell. So, ko dito. Only time will tell. Yan. So far, Azzy, ito ang aking reading sa'yo. Okay? Congratulations. Do you want another last one? You want last one? Okay, last one. Comment mark. Comment mark. Okay, comment mark. Comment mark, guys. Okay, nag-comment po ang ating Claire. Yes. The one and only Claire. Yes. Balasan muna natin ating cards, Claire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Claire, this is your reading for 2025. Ayan. Okay. Baguhin na natin kasi nasa pagitna na tayo ng 2025. This is 2025 from now on to next year, 2026. April 2025 to May na lang. May 2025 to May 2026. Yes. Okay, start natin for our first card. Oh my God! First card, your first card is Sari. Sari in wig. What does wig symbolize? Dalawa lang yan. Pagpapanggap, or beauty. Yes, beauty. Pagpapanggap or beauty. But we don't know yet kasi tignan nyo, sa mata ng ating drag queen Sari card, sobrang innocent. Yes, very innocent. So, we still don't know. Dalawa lang yan, pagpapanggap at beauty. Maybe we'll find the answers sa iba pang cards, okay? Our next card is baby card. Zaimon baby card. Nagets mo na ba? Ayun baby drag. Baby drag. Maybe this year, you will find beauty by being a baby drag queen. Diba? Magiging baby drag queen ka this year. Pero, mind you baka magpanggap ka. Okay. Ingat-ingat ka lang. Guide lang to ang ating mga cards Next card. Next card is si Princess si Rian. Rian card, cute girl Rian card. Again for the second round. Nakatingin siya sa card na ito. Yes. Ayan Nakatingin ang ating cute girl Rian card sa card na to. So we will find the answers for this question. Okay? Next card. The negative connotation. Negative. Joriza card. Awkwardness. Looking up. Looking up to the baby. Looking up to the baby. This means, tignan mo ang past na ikaw. Okay? Looking up to the baby. Look up to your baby self. What do you want? Ayan. And Arjeriza, check ko muna kung ano nakasulat sa damit, ha. Flowers. Maglagay ka ng flowers sa north. Sa taas. Sa taas. Flowers sa taas. Sa taas ng bahay ninyo. Pag nakatingala ka, like Arjeriza card, maka-counter natin ang negative connotations. And this card also, ha, shyness. Nakahawak siya sa mga paa niya. Kasi, na-awkward, nahihiya. Ayan, no? Ala, negative ang nakikita ko, Claire. So far, ha, negative siya. So, you need to put flowers sa taas. Okay, next. Our jazz card. Jazz card. Ayan. Pink. Y2K. Wear pink and Y2K. Yan. Ngingiwi ka. Ngingiwi ka. Look at our jazz card. Ngingiwi ka kasi this year will be a struggle for you. Ngingiwi ka, ayan, no? And you will look sa horizon. Yes, Y2K, wear pink and Y2K, and don't forget to put flowers, ayan, no? Flowers sa taas. Ayan, okay? Last card na tinitignan ng ating Rian card, ayan, no? Okay. Is our Chelsea card. Very positive to ating Chelsea card, guys, because you will be the boss. Look at the pose of our Chelsea card. Boss girl, boss bitch. Very top boss. Let's remember that, boss ka, boss. And sa likod mo pintuan. You will open a lot of opportunities. Nanonood si Ma'am Shimelay. A lot of opportunities will open for you kasi magiging boss ka. Okay? Ayan. And, trend alert, guys. Trend alert, ha? Everyone is wearing pink. Except for this. For this picture. And ano napansin mo, Claire? Babae lahat ng naka-wear ng pink. Pink symbolizes femininity. And ito lang, this is the only odd one. So you will be very, this year, lalakas ang iyong femininity. Yes. Ayan. Lucky color is pink, Y2K to be exact. Flowers sa taas, and you will be the boss. Okay. Okay, yun na ba ang ating thank you so much. Ano ba si Ma'am Shimelay? Next na siguro to ni Ma'am Shimelay, baka na-awkward siya. Okay, that ends na siguro, no? Meron tayo so far, ating mga, ang ating rare cards are the Rian card. Yes, Rian to, di ba? Rian, si Shea Shuike. Last si Shea Shuike. Rian card is the most elusive out of them all. Pagod ako. Okay, Shea Shuike. Wait lang. Shea Shuike. 6 cards. May pakis ako. Okay, 6 cards. For you, Shay Shui K. Wait. Mag-change ako papel. Para masabtan na to. Okay, this is your 2025, May 2025 to, okay, May 2025 to May 2026 reading. Okay? Okay, start natin. For your first 3 months, which means May, June, July. First 3 months. Lumabas ang ating rare card. Ang Rian card. Kita nyo ba yan? Yung Rian card natin, she is teasing. Teasing, ha? Teasing. What does that mean? What does teasing mean? Nangungutya siya. She's mocking you. She's mocking. This here is mocking you. Let's see how we'll counter that. We found our Jella card. The world will be teasing you. Kukutsain ka ng mundo. But you will need to look behind you. Look behind. So you will find the answers. Don't forget to smile just a little bit. Tulad ng ating Jella card, smile just a little bit kahit masakit na. Smile just a little bit. Okay? Next card is our Claire card. Claire card. Meron ako nakikitang letters sa Claire card na to. J, P, C. This Claire card is about transformation. Transformation. After nito, kahit malungkot, you will be transformed. May JPC na initials yan ang ating Claire card. Just, power, change na lang. Justice, power, and change. Yes. Justice, power, and change. Or, kaya na maghanap kung sino si JPC. Yes, justice, power, and change. Ito ang yung theme for the second year. Second months. And, meron ka ding Lucky Hanabeshi card. Kahit may JPC ka, Justice, Power, and Change, you will find peace. Peace. Ayan na, naka-peace sign. And, oh my God, may hinahawakan ang ating Hanabeshi card. Kasi nga, you will find peace after that. May jealousy sa likod. There will be jealousy. May jealousy sa likod. Okay? Because you will find peace and jealousy, you will need to rest. Ayan. May sofa na kawayan sa likod. You will need to rest. Okay? Next is the lucky Joanna card. Yes. Medyo negative siya, no? Negative. But the positive side, you will find, anong meaning nito? Nakaturo sa labi. Ayan. You will find love. You will find love. Kasi ang symbolism ng labi natin is love, di ba? Love. This is our love card. The Joanna card. Love card. Okay? Ayan. And our last card to complete the set of cards is... Oh my God! Nakukunot ang face mo. This is our Elijah card. Our Elijah card. Sorry, Shay, but this year I think will not be very positive for you. You will find very tough hardships in this year. Ayan, no? The world is mocking you. You will need to look back. You will find justice, peace, and change. And transformation. You will find peace, but there will be jealousy at the back. You will find love, though, or if you have love already, that will be sustained or that will be amplified. Yes, amplified. Oh, look, turo sa taas. Ayan. But at the end of the day, you will be angry. 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 Kaya siguro tinatawag ka na anger. Ayan. You will be angry. Ayan. But don't forget to smile just a little bit. Ayan. Don't forget to smile. Smile. Just a little bit. Even after all the hardships, you will be angry, but don't forget to smile just a little bit. Okay? This is your reading for 2025 to 2026. Ayan. How do you combat all of this negativity? How do you combat? Okay? Let's pick a card. Ayan. How do you combat? Oh my God! The Jazz card. The Jazz card. This card, you know guys, sabi ko nga, meron nga tayong, kasi ang ating Saturn and Uranus will align, kaya merong madaming negativity. But that negativity will be combated if you wear glasses and wear Y2K. Okay? Wear glasses and Y2K. And your signature pose should be like that. Wear pink and Y2K. And don't forget the glasses occasionally. And dito, ilabas mo ang iyong quirky side. Quirky side. Ilabas mo ang iyong quirky side. Just enjoy. Y2K and be quirky to combat all of this negativity except for this one and this one. Yes. Okay. Yun ang iyong reading, Shay Shweki. I think I'm okay na po. Wala na tayong magpapa-reading. Kasi naubos na yung bond paper ko, ay yung notebook ko. Okay, last na lang. Super duper last kasi nagugutom na ako. Super duper last reading. Press comment quirky. Comment quirky. Ayan, comment quirky. Walang bayad. Comment quirky. Sige, sasave ko to. Comment quirky. Sige, shit, tanggal. Okay, si Joanna na lang kasi kanina pa siya nag-aantay. Wait ha. Tanggal yung mga cards natin. This is very negative connotation. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay ha? Joanna, this is your reading for May 2025 to May 2026. Okay. For your first 3 months of the year, you will be... Lumabas na naman ang ating transformation card. Transformation. Ayan. Ayan, no? You will be transformed. But kita nyo tong dart ringer sa damit niya. You will be choked by that transformation. Ayan. You will be choked by that transformation. But, if you... Pag nakuha mo tong card na to, ang clear card, ang ating transformation card, if you live to a country that starts with Philip, nakatira ka sa Philippines, ayan, Philippines, that transformation will be positive. Ayan. Yan na. Pag nakatira ka sa Philip, pag nag-start ng Philip, especially nakatira ka sa Philippines, that transformation will be positive. Okay, next card. The Lucky Jazz card. Jazz. Ayan. Okay, sa bagong Jazz card natin, I think, for that transformation, Joanna, kailangan mong mag-TikTok sa bakuran nyo ng mga fashion fits. Okay? Mag-TikTok ka sa fashion fits mo sa bakuran nyo. Most specifically, sa my water tank. Okay? Water tank. Ayan. Okay, guys. So that you will find the quirky side of you. Kasi masyado kang seryoso dito. Mag-TikTok ka sa bakuran para you will find the quirky side of you. Okay. Next card is... Hala, this year talaga is about transformation and self-reflection, Joanna. You will need to look behind you. This is Argella card. You will need to look behind you. Ayan, no? Kahit masakit, don't forget your past. But just smile a little bit. Ayan, smile a little bit. Kita mo to? May mga utensils, may mga rice cooker, may mga platito. This symbolizes abundance. Ayan, abundance. You will always have food on your table. Just like this Jella card. You will always have food on your table. But don't forget, before the abundance, you need to look behind your past. You need to look behind your past. Don't forget the old you. Kahit nag-transform ka na, you need to look behind you. Okay? Next card is masira. Is our Sydney card. The Sydney card again symbolizes duality. Mali pa spelling. Duality. Ayan, no? Half ng card, tignan nyo, half ng card is may black, half ng card is white. Okay? Ayan, duality siya. The yin-yang of all our set. Ito ang yin-yang card ng set natin. As I've said earlier, you have abundance and this just proves it. Kasi, banks, barcode, you will always have the means to buy anything. Ayan, no? You have the means to buy anything. Barcode. Banks Garcia. Yes. Ayan, no? Yes, okay? And you will be happy. Happiness and abundance. Okay? Magkakapera ka. But, the duality of this, may positive na tayo, abundance and money, but you will be insecure. Kasi, bang symbolizes insecurity kasi you're hiding something. You are hiding something. So, you will find insecurity or you will find something that you're insecure of sa year na to. Okay? Next card is the Azzy card. The Azzy card represents jump. Pansinin niyo, jumper. You will jump. There will be a huge change. Joanna, I'm telling you, this year is about change. This year is about change. Tignan mo. You will jump. Ang sabi natin, Azzy card, you will jump. But we still don't know if that jump is pataas or pababa. Okay? Ayan. So, I think this card will conclude your experience sa year natin. Oh my God! Lumabas ang ating negative connotation card. Negative connotation card. So, that jump is negative. That jump is negative. You know, super abundant transformation, abundance, jump, negative. Your year will be very abundant sa simula, but you will jump to the negative side. Tignan nyo. Our Joriza card is very, shy, awkward. Ayan na. Ayan, very shy and awkward. Pero, to combat all of that, pansinin nyo sa ating Joriza card. Again nakatingin sa taas. Ang ating Joriza card. Nakatingin sa taas. Nakatingin sa taas. Ano bang ilalagay sa taas? Napansin nyo? Butterflies and flowers. So you need to put nature elements sa taas ng bahay nyo. Ayan na. To combat the very sudden negative dip in your life sa end ng year, you will have to put nature elements sa taas ng bahay nyo. Okay? So, bili ka. And your lucky color of the year, if you want to combat that, okay, your lucky color of the year is is our, sino nga to ulit? Si Sari. Is our Sari drag card. Sari drag card. So, himay-himayin natin. Wear wig. Again, yung wig natin symbolizes dalawang bagay. Insecurity, may pagpapanggap at beauty. Don't forget na pipiliin mo lang mag-wig because you want to feel beautiful. Beautiful. Wear wig to feel beautiful. And also wear pink. Ayan. Most specifically, spaghetti strap. Spaghetti strap outfit. Ayan. So, ayan. Wear wig to feel beautiful, not to pretend as someone else. And wear pink, most specifically, spaghetti strap. Okay? So, ayun lang po. That ends our reading for tonight. So, kung gusto niyo po, guys, ito pala bigyan ng Team Beshi sa akin. Kung gusto niyo po na malagay po kayo dito sa ating cards, mag-send lang po kayo ng pictures niyo sa kay Joriza. Ayan. Thank you so much. Okay guys, ang ating reading ay gabay lamang, hindi po siya pagtotoong buhay, guide lang yan. You will define your basta. Okay? Kendra. Who's Kendra? Okay, thank you so much. Wow.